In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to have the LinkedIn helped me get this job badge. This badge is a great way to showcase that LinkedIn was a valuable tool in your job search journey. So let's get started right away. First, you need to head over to LinkedIn's website by typing linkedin.com into your browser. Once you're there, you'll find options to sign in either with your Google or Microsoft account, or you can simply use your email address and password. If you have two-factor authentication activated on your account, LinkedIn will take the extra step of verifying your identity. So be prepared to receive a code on your phone to complete the login process. Now that you're successfully logged in, let's move on to adding the badge. Go to your profile and navigate to the experience section. Here you'll want to add a new position by clicking on the option to add a role. As you start filling in the details of your new job, such as the title, company name, and the dates of employment, keep an eye on the prompts from LinkedIn. During this process, LinkedIn provides you with an opportunity to indicate whether you landed your role through the platform. Look for a checkbox that asks if LinkedIn helped you get this job. It might be easy to miss, so pay close attention. If you believe LinkedIn played a crucial part, make sure to check this box. This action will enable the LinkedIn helped me get this job badge on your profile, providing a visual indicator that highlights the impact LinkedIn had in your job acquisition. After you've entered all the required information for your new position and checked the box for the badge, the next step is to save your profile. And that's it. The new badge should now be prominently displayed under your current role, making it visible to anyone who views your LinkedIn profile. But here's a little note to keep in mind. The badge will only stay for your current role. If you add a new position later on that wasn't obtained with LinkedIn's help, the badge will no longer appear for that role. And there you have it. You've successfully added the LinkedIn helped me get this job badge to your profile. This little addition not only enhances your profile, but also tells a story about how LinkedIn was instrumental in your professional journey. So, if LinkedIn truly helped you land your role, don't forget to showcase it proudly. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide was helpful. Make sure to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more practical tips to make the most out of your LinkedIn experience.